Hi everybody, thanks for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to show you what YouTube paid me as a small YouTuber for the month of October. So what happens with YouTube is you get paid a month after what you made, as long as you make at least $100. So the good news here is that I made at least $100, so I did get a payment. So that's always a plus, and thank you so much for everyone who has watched, liked, shared my videos. I really appreciate it, especially all the comments. So thank you so much for interacting with me. I always have fun talking to you guys, and I also always learn a little bit. So what we have here is the YouTube payment, and let's see what I got. So it went down a little bit. This month we got a total of 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So we got a total of 135 this month. You'll see here that I wrote down, I am keeping track of the YouTube revenue that I make since I got monetized, and that was in July. So I got monetized at the end of July. I made $18.48 that month, so nothing was paid out. And then I made $240 in August, which was a lot, which was my biggest revenue so far. So for those 2 months, I got paid a total of $259.17. For September, I got paid $188.79 in October, and this month I got paid $135. I just rounded it up for October that I got paid this month. So here's a breakdown of where I generally want the payments to go. I'm finding that it's not always this, but I try to keep this as a general rule of where I want, what sinking funds I want this to always go to. I always want to put 30% in taxes. I think I started out doing 35, but 30% seems to be a good roundabout. I don't think I'll owe anything this year because I don't think I made enough, but that's okay. That's actually a good thing. So if not, I'll find out where I'll put what I have in. If not, I'll find out where I'll put that money for taxes instead. Probably should start thinking about where that will go. But I'll wait until I find out when I do taxes how much actually I'll have to pay, if any. So I keep this little cheat sheet here, and this is where I've decided the $135 will go. So we'll do that cash stuffing now. I did do the breakdown, and I was able to get to the bank to get this cash out, and then we'll update the sinking fund tracker here. So let's do that now. I'm gonna keep this to the side so I remember where everything goes. This is my YouTube binder, so it keeps the taxes, giveaways, all that good stuff there. So let's fill taxes first. I've labeled taxes debt, of course. I didn't have a taxes sticker. That's becoming a fun thing to figure out what to label things. So we are adding $40 to taxes. Let me get my little tray. Probably not as necessary here, but you know, we keep a routine. Come on, you can do it. I have a habit of talking to inanimate objects. Inanimate. You get it. Whatever. Okay, so we're putting $40 in here. And let's see what that brings us to. So 50, 100, 20, 40, 65, 71. We have 171 in here now for taxes. So basically, I have more in taxes for the man than I do for myself, but that's okay. Hopefully, we'll be able to redisperse this into something that I actually need. 26. Oh, looks like I'm filling it about the same time every time. So we're putting $40, and then we have 171. Okay, so that's done. Next thing we're putting in for this binder is giveaway, which I have labeled gifts. We're gonna take this out, and we're putting $10 in. That brings us to $10, $20, $35 in gifts. And I haven't decided if I'm going to do maybe a Christmas giveaway or I'm going to wait until we're at 3,000 subscribers. So I'll decide that by December. Maybe when we get December's YouTube pay, we will we'll decide what we can put in there. For supplies, I'm gonna put a little bit more. We're gonna put $35 in supplies. And that's because I want to get some things for my happy planner, and also for, I haven't done any happy planner videos. 20, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40 brings us to $40. I haven't decided how I'm going to be doing my planning for 2024. I don't know if I'm going to use a happy planner or this other planner that I saw on Amazon that I really liked. And I think it's going to be a lot more productive for me, but I can't really put stickers or decorate in it, so I haven't decided what I'm going to do. Decided if that's the route I'm going to take quite yet, but for now, we do have $40 in there. That planner is $30, and the happy planner right now is on sale for $20, but for the happy planner, I already have one that goes, I believe, until June of this year. So I don't know, I might go that way just to keep what I have. Electric savings, we're putting $25 in there. And this is again for my remote starter, hoping to finish this by January maybe. Doesn't look like I'm gonna get to it by December. All right, we're putting $25 in here. But this has made really good progress, so I'm very happy about that. We have 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 70, 80, 90, 95, 200, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. We have $250 in here now. So we're at least halfway through. Probably should start pricing out which one I actually want. So I know that cars that have the, what is that called? Push to start, their remote starters cost a little more. And I've also heard that you need, let me know what you guys know about that. I've also heard that you need, I cannot speak today. My thoughts are not there. I've also heard that you need an extra, key for that, like an extra fob remote starter, and then another for push to start. I'm not 100% sure, but that's what I've heard. All right, my daughter's binder is going to get some. Her graduation is going to get $12. So I always try to put something in here for graduation. It is a few years away from now, but I want to put as much in here as I can when I can. It's not a huge priority because it's so far away. And she does have another savings account that I contribute to every pay period. You guys know about that one already. So, but we also want to take a trip for her 16th birthday. So I'm thinking that the 100 envelope will go, challenge will go to that when it's done. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. That's 150 now. And you guys know when I contribute to this, I'm trying to now round it out so that the numbers are even. It's not always possible, but that's what I try to do. It's a new goal that I'm trying to do. So 150 isn't bad for us to have, what, 3 more years left? 3.5 more years to save in this. I think that's the only one in there that she's getting. It is. And then we have our health envelope. So this is for any, you know, medicine or co-pays that come up. So this also I try to fill every time I get a YouTube paycheck. This is getting $9. $10, $15, $20, $21, $22, $23, $24, $25. All right, health now has $25. So I did start Christmas shopping. What I did was I took the $500 in Christmas for 2023 and I took it to the bank. And what I started to do was just put the purchases on my Discover credit card. And that's just so that I have everything in one place, and also so that I can get the points, because right now Amazon, you get points for Amazon purchases with a credit card. So I'm going to do that, and I'll probably use the points that I received to go towards a payment, because after I shop for Christmas, there's nothing else that I really need unless I use it for the supply purchases for YouTube. All right, that's it for that. I think this is backwards. It is. These are backwards. I'll fix that at some point when it's important. And this is for us restarting our plant/pet challenge. So $4 is going to go into here. 2, 3, 4. Let's put it in the first $4 slot. So once I fill this, it'll be $70, and we'll put that towards our pet/vet emergency, and that'll make the total goal for that $150 because there's $80 in there already. All right, so right now in the pet/vet emergency, we have $80. So let's fill this up to 80, and then we'll put 4 more because we just put 4 more in the plant challenge. Right now this is 50. All right, let's fill it up to 80. All right, so now that's up to 84. This total goal is $100. So each of these is 1 leaf. So we'll fill that up to $100, and then we'll do a part 2 for the last 50 here. Let me put a little sticky note. House plant part 2. And then we'll put a start date when I get it started. All right, there we go. So now we have a challenge we can color in every time when we do the plant challenge. So that looks like that's it for our YouTube revenue. Let's fill this out with the additions that we made. I already took out the $500 that went to the bank. If I don't use it all, I don't know if I'll use it all, but we'll worry about that at the end of the month. Taxes, we put $40. I want to do this in red. YouTube taxes, we put $40. This is my YouTube column. You can use this as your extra income column if you did buy one of these. Speaking of this sinking fund and savings tracker, there is a sale right now for this. It's $1 off from today into, actually it's just for today. I don't believe it goes through to tomorrow, but it's $1 off, which makes it $2.50. So if you're interested in purchasing this, go ahead and do that now. If you have any questions, you can either leave them on Etsy. It is seriouslysaving.etsy.com where you can purchase this. It's a printable, so it's not mailed to you, but that makes it a lot easier for anyone to get it. If you don't have a printer at home, you can always use your local library, or you can, print it wherever you can, have a friend print it out for you. And that way you'll have access to it. So $40 for taxes. Electric savings is $25. And I actually don't have a printer right now. I have a printer, but I don't have any ink. I had that like automatic ink subscription. But I don't use the printer like that, so I stopped it. In the future, if I continue to do Etsy, then I will, I'll, get that working back again. Graduation, where is that? Right here. Health got $9. Here's health. Giveaways got 10. Supplies got 35. Where are we for YouTube supplies? And then what else do we have? Plant Savings Challenge got $4. There we go. So I won't do these totals until I'm done. Well, YouTube totals is fine. I can finish that out because we contributed nothing to the rest of these for the YouTube pay for this month. So total here was 131 because we got 4 here. Oops. Yep, 4 here. So a total of 135, which is still awesome. $135 is still awesome for something that I'm doing already, something that I'm enjoying. So it's still absolutely awesome. It's $135 that I would not have otherwise. So thank you so much for everyone for watching, for liking. Please share the channel if you find that this stuff is helpful for you. I always like to talk to my friends about budgeting. So if you would like to do the same or with your family members, it's a good time to do it, especially if you want to start a new routine for 2024. As far as saving money and budgeting better. So thank you so much, everybody. Again, as always, I say a million times, but I'm very grateful for you. Thanks for spending time with me today. The next video I am going to go ahead and do a plan with me for the upcoming week, because I got to get back into that. I have been planning on the side for myself, but a few of you have found that helpful. So I am going to do my planning for the week. I'm also going to soon be uploading December's budget calendar and budget. So look out for that. That's it for me today. Have a good weekend. Enjoy your Sunday. Happy saving, everybody. Bye.